Did you know? This video has been played 170 million times. We can make a similar video in just 5 minutes for a 30-second video. This video tells the story of a tortoise and a rabbit rescuing each other. The ups and downs of the plot, coupled with the elements of cute pets, are typical emotion-driven plus short narrative content, which is easy to explode and very suitable for starting an account. This kind of video is not difficult to make. We use Reela to create the same type of content, and the whole process was simpler than you could imagine, and the whole process took no more than 5 minutes. First, open the Reela official website, and then enter your inspiration prompt words, such as the little rabbit was hit by a large truck, drowned by heavy rain, struggling in the mud, and holding on to a floating empty bottle to survive. Then we can choose the style, ratio, and generation time of the video, and finally click to generate. In just 5 minutes, a high-quality video is completed. Such videos do not require real people to appear, shoot, or edit, and a single person can continue to create a stable content stream. You can save 90% of the production cost, free up a lot of time, and focus on content planning. Stop envying other people's high-view videos. Go to Reela.com now. Generate your first AI short video in 5 minutes and start your journey of creating explosive videos. Actually, I am also a digital person.